Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today we're going to unbox and review the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. I've been using these for about 3 weeks now, so it kind of took a while for it to arrive due to Samsung's quality control issues that they were having with the ear tips. So opening up the box, we have the earbuds themselves. I got the black version simply because they look too much like AirPods already, so the white version would just be too much. I like the transparent top half of the case, and the weight is very nice. You get a USB-C cable and your usual paperwork. When you open the case, the earbuds light up to let you know that they're ready to pair. Looking at the earbuds up close, you can see that they have a triangular shape and this lovely satin finish. If you look closely, there is a slight ridge on the earbud which shows you the capacitive touch area, and this is where you can swipe up or down for volume level, pinch to pause or play your music, and pinch and hold for ANC on or off. This also works for the transparency mode. One cool party trick that maybe could be useful at night is when you take out both earbuds out of your ears, you can pinch and hold both of them at the same time to activate the LED blade lights. And so these will stay on while you are using them with or without music. I will say that these get very bright at night, so if you have to go on a night walk, these definitely help with visibility. The case itself feels very premium and it has a really cool feature. It has red or blue marks on the earbud slots, which can also be found on the corresponding earbud. That way, there's no confusion about which one goes where. You also have a flat bottom, which allows this case to stand up, which is very interesting. You also get a pairing button, which makes it easier to pair to other devices that aren't your phone. You also get wireless charging. I bought this case from Spigen that has this cool carbon fiber element, and while some reviews about this case say that you can't do wireless charging with it on, it seems that you can only do wireless charging on Samsung's own wireless charging pads with the case on, which is kind of strange. If you use any other normal wireless charger, it does not work. I don't know. In my testing, these earbuds are just miles better for comfort and fit compared to the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, which I owned and actually traded in. It's honestly a night and day difference. The transparency mode has also been significantly improved to the point where you almost forget that they're in your ear when you have the transparency mode on. The ANC has also improved. It cancels about 90% of the noises around me so I can listen to music in peace. When you put them back in the case, they also light up, which is really cool. Aside from the fact that these look like AirPods, they look really cool. They have this very futuristic design, and overall, these Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are by far the best earbuds to buy from Samsung. They have great comfort, great sound quality, much improved ANC and transparency mode, and it just makes it a wonderful experience overall. And if you have a trade-in device, I would highly recommend trading in your earbuds, see what you can get. Right now, Samsung is running a ton of offers for their devices. I recently purchased a Galaxy Tab S9. Spoiler alert, we're going to be making a video about it. So that was it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace.